Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn coding for cybersecurity. First, identify the foundational programming languages essential for security tasks. Then, immerse yourself in practical, hands-on projects to solidify your understanding. Start with basic concepts and gradually build towards more complex topics. This approach ensures a strong base, making advanced cybersecurity coding much more accessible and understandable. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering these skills effectively. Python is incredibly versatile, serving as a cornerstone for scripting, automating tasks, and analyzing data in cybersecurity. For deeper insights into system vulnerabilities and exploit development, mastering C and C++ is essential as they offer low-level control. Additionally, proficiency in scripting languages like PowerShell for Windows and Bash for Linux is critical for effective system administration and automating security operations across various environments. To truly learn, you must practice. Leverage online platforms offering interactive coding challenges to hone your skills in a structured way. Crucially, set up a virtual lab environment, perhaps using a virtual machine, to safely experiment with tools and techniques without risking your main system. Participating in Capture the Flag events provides an excellent opportunity to apply your coding knowledge in realistic, competitive scenarios, enhancing problem-solving abilities. Cybersecurity is a dynamic field, so continuous learning is paramount. Regularly update your knowledge on emerging vulnerabilities and security trends to remain effective. Consider specializing in a particular domain, such as network security, incident response, or digital forensics, to deepen your expertise. Furthermore, contributing to open-source security projects offers invaluable real-world experience and helps build a strong professional network within the community.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.